rather than a horse get injured or a rider fall off. That's all we're saying. You're entitled to film.
I had a good time up there, viewing them from above, and they were as peaceful as ever. I've got the evidence of that. Not one of them have run. They're quite content in the field, doing what they're doing.
But I'm saying that we're going to be moving them now from the yard back out to the field and vice versa. So there's going to be horses being moved from the top field, if you've seen them.
Yeah.
And they're going to be brought into
Well, I
the
could
yard.
fly it right here then.
Okay.
And just
and vice
looking.
versa.
It don't matter.
Taking horses from the yard up the field, and when they can hear it hovering above, some of them will take a dislike to it, which is dangerous.
We just you know
They're animals at the end of the day, and they've got their own
and
brains.
that's the reason why, as a drone pilot.
All right, everyone, buckle up. What starts as a simple drone flight over a peaceful horse training facility is about to spiral into a tense standoff with authority. We've got officers, drones, and a pilot who knows his rights inside out. From misunderstandings about line of sight to accusations of spooking animals, this footage shows exactly how quickly public space can collide with overreach. Stick around, because we're breaking down the legal nuances, the power dynamics, and the jaw-dropping moments where knowledge of your rights becomes your strongest defense. And trust me, you'll want to see who comes out on top.
Join a bit of grass. So we're going to go around the other side there anyway. I'll put the drone up, so come on. Sorry?
All right, taking it down.
Why? Why do I have to take it down?
Well, we've got. So you've checked, haven't you, on any other drones in the air?
Yeah.
Well, we've got a drone in the air.
You haven't?
We have.
Not on drone assist, it isn't.
Right here, we hit the first real clash. The officers claim another drone is in the air. Yet, there's zero proof on any official system. Watch how they lean on authority and try to intimidate, rather than present facts. This is textbook overreach, demanding compliance without evidence. Our pilot is calm but firm, pointing out he's checked drone assist and confirmed no conflict. Notice the subtle tension, personal space invaded, vague threats thrown, yet every step is carefully countered by someone who knows their rights. It's a perfect example of how clarity and preparation can diffuse, or at least survive, an escalating encounter.
Where is your drone?
I'm saying the drone up over that way.
Oh, it's not in my line of sight.
What? Do you know about the policies about trying to deconflict?
Yeah, deconflict. Where is the...
I just want to just stand out the road. I want
Well, you've called me over. Where is this drone? I can't see it. It's not in... It's not in my line of sight. Don't make bullshit up, mate.
What are you swearing for?
What? Because you're a knob.
Who is?
You are.
Right,
Don't...
Set your drone down.
Eh?
Because you're scaring the animals.
Scaring the animals?
Yeah.
Shut up, mate. Don't talk rubbish.
Right, so you're not committing some offence, I've just had you to take it down.
You have no reason to tell me to take this down here.
I have.
Go on, for what?
For deconfliction, for flying.
Where is the other drone?
I've just told you it's over there.
Pardon?
I've just told you it's over there.
Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to bring the drone down. It's going straight back up in a minute, mate.
You should have the eyes on it. You should know that.
I should have what?
You should have your line of sight. Yeah.
The problem is, I've took off from a safe area. You're in it. Right?
So you safe area, how far should you be?
Pardon?
How far was that?
Do you know what drone this is, bud? Right, listen. Where's this drone you're talking about?
I told you it's over there.
I've been up here flying.
Well, I've just
and I've just seen no drone.
It's one of my colleagues flying his drone. He's doing a test flight over there. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm just pointing
And has he put it on drone assist? That's what he's supposed to do.
Yeah.
Is that a works phone, Lovey? It is, yeah. I'll make a request for that.
Go for it.
Right,
so we just
do one.
So have you got your body cam on?
Eh?
You've got your body
Yeah.
cam on. So I've overtly taken...
Here's where it gets really interesting. The officers are insistent, yet their reasoning falls apart under scrutiny. The pilot has done every check, followed every protocol, and yet they continue pushing. It's fascinating to see the psychology at play. They're reacting to being filmed, not to actual danger. Notice the thin line they're walking, authority versus legality. Every request the officers make is met with calm, factual responses. This is a live demonstration of how legal knowledge isn't just academic. It's practical self-protection in real time. Who would you side with in this standoff? The trained authority or the rule-abiding pilot?
Body cam,
Eh?
okay.
What are you bothering me for out here? Jog on back to work, you pair of muppets. Go on.
Right.
Well, you go and do yours then.
Eh?
You go and do
I want
yours,
to fly
yeah.
this again.
Right, we'll go,
You're interrupting me.
we'll go and fly it then. Go and fly
You
it.
have interrupted a pilot, and that's what you just did then.
So what's your intention?
No, I said to you.
My intention is getting some overview footage of this area, which I've checked the drone. What? It's nothing to do with you, Baldy. Skedaddle. You've upset me at the minute.
Have a...
Yeah,
Right, okay.
there's no other drone in this area, I've
I'm telling
checked.
you there is.
So they've got to update Drone Assist then, haven't they?
It's updated.
Why have they not updated the app?
You just checked Drone Assist.
I've checked it 2 minutes
Right,
ago.
well, we've just checked ours and it's not come up, so you might as
Do
well
you
yours
need the
not on.
police for anything?
No, so get back to work then, lovey. Come
Have you
on,
got any
jog
problems?
on.
Do you have a problem? Do you want a crime?
No
to
problems
report?
whatsoever. How can I report a crime here at Mounty Branch?
So what's the reason
Eh?
for your... We are police officers.
I'm not talking to you, Skedaddle. Right, Baldy, have you got any...
Not going anywhere.
You're very rude.
I will talk to you like that. You're very rude to me, telling me to land this.
Yeah,
You're
I told
very
you to
rude.
Well,
land it. So
jog on back to work then.
When you go, we'll go back to
No,
work.
I'm putting my drone back up.
You can't. You go
I
to show
can.
the horses.
Not-
Yeah, the horses, I'm back 120 feet in the air.
You've not briefed anybody, as you should know you
I
should
do not need to brief
Yes,
you.
you do. There's
It's a
people
sub
involved.
250 gram drone.
But you're flying something in the air, so... Yeah.
You don't have to be a sub... You go and check out the rules, please, first. Get Simon down here from round corner at Hutton. He'll sort you out.
Yeah. And that's who's got the drone up, so he's asked you to take it down.
No, he hasn't.
Yes,
Because
he
if he wanted to ask me, he could come round here personally. He's not updated that there's one flying in the area, and that's what he should
Have you
do.
done yours?
I've done my checks just before I put them up.
So you put yours on drop. Did you do yours as well?
No, because it's a... Do you know anything about drones
Yeah,
or what?
I'm in charge of him.
Listen, it's a sub 250 gram drone. I don't need to update anybody. I've checked the area to make sure it's not...
And I asked you to land it so it's safe to do some stuff and speak to, which you've done. So
Right,
I
I've done
appreciate
that only just so I can speak to you.
it. And obviously I want you to do that so we could...
Now we see the tipping point. Officers accuse the drone of disturbing horses, but not one horse seems bothered. The narrator stands his ground, explaining airspace protocols and emergency rules, dismantling the officer's assumptions step by step. This is where the drama meets the law. Someone who knows the rules is untouchable when authority overreaches. Notice how their tone shifts from commanding to defensive. Classic reaction when assumptions meet fact. It's a subtle but powerful lesson. Knowing your rights transforms a potentially intimidating encounter into an educational one, and it keeps authority in check.
You know?
Yeah.
I'm not. Back to work. Come on.
What's the reason you're flying it over? a
Listen,
police
it's nothing
premises?
to do with you. Go on, back to work.
It is if we work here. and
Back
it's
to
police
work.
premises.
Jog on. Come on.
So what's your name?
What's your name?
PC laid low.
Mine's Scott.
Scott.
Yeah, he
Right.
likes going to places and filming.
Yeah.
Stopping you.
Well, go on then.
Yeah.
You know the crack.
Yeah,
Back
yeah.
to work then, please.
What's your name, Scott?
Chegg.
Have you got any ID on you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Well, my hands are full at the minute. I was about to give you middle finger.
Carry something.
Back to
You're
work.
going to give me the middle finger.
Yeah, back to work.
This
Come
is
on.
how you talk.
You're very rude. Come on. It's not your business here, what I'm doing.
We're police officers.
Back to work.
This is
Come
police
on.
premises and
Back
we
to work.
here. Okay, so
Yeah?
do you have anything
Am
to
I in your
report?
premises?
Do you have a crime
Am
to
I in your
report?
premises?
Are you vulnerable? Do you need any
Very
help?
vulnerable at the minute. I've got three
Right.
bloody bigwigs coming up, not minding their own business. Back to work. Come on.
So you're going to register that if it goes back up, are you?
I don't need to register it. You deal with horses, not bloody drones, lovey. Is it down then? It is?
Yeah, it's down, yeah. Yeah, but what I'm just saying, it is our training centre, so we do fly it. So you understand that. We just...
Check this out. Our pilot lays down real-world airspace law. He explains how drones operate near emergency landing zones, emphasizing line of sight and safe distancing. The officers attempt to impose summary offenses, but all checks are done correctly. This is not just about drones. It's about civil rights in action. It's a high-stakes chess game. Every move must balance safety, legality, and authority, and watching someone execute it with calm confidence is impressive. These moments remind us that procedural knowledge isn't optional. It's essential for anyone filming or flying drones legally.
It's an hospital, right? And then the helicopter was coming in.
Yeah. You endangered an aircraft.
And do you know
Endangered
that as
aircraft.
long as it's in my line of sight, as long as I make directions to pull away from that aircraft, I'm doing nothing wrong.
Endangered
With-
an aircraft.
No, you're not. The training for the CA says if you see, because you can fly over Royal Preston Hospital, right? And they land the helicopter at any time of the day, an emergency. Now, what they teach you, if you see another aircraft and it's coming your way, that you must make regards to bring your drone away. It's not a big emergency. Whoa, there's a drone. Because Simon hasn't updated the app to say that he's flying in the area. I checked that before I went up.
Right, that's fair enough.
So therefore, threatening with summary offences could land you as a civil case because I've done all my relevant checks.
Right, no, you've done it, so yeah, that's what you should do. So you'll be a good drone pilot. You are, aren't you? Are you not?
Yeah, because I wasn't. I was flying well within the above height of this premises. If I was hovering right on top of horses, it's honest, they're going to get spooked, aren't they? I'm right up there, buddy.
Right.
I'm not doing anything illegal here.
They can still hear it and they can still pick up.
Listen, I'm not talking to you. Jog on. I don't care what you are. I don't care. I've done my relevant checks, right? I don't tell you how to do your job, so don't tell me how to do mine. I don't care. I wouldn't be flying above it if it weren't illegal. No, I won't. I'm not listening to you. I'm sorry, we got on the wrong foot. This is ignorant ladies still gabbing on him here. Please.
I know you're doing your part, but trust me, she's got a lot of experience. And it's just the animals. Listen, the animals.
She was trying to go away in regards to animals. You're speaking the animals. I'm right up there, buddy.
No, but it does. Right, she's got. Honestly, I'm not lying to you. A lot of experience.
Notice the officers trying to justify their aggressive approach with hypothetical emergencies. They weren't prepared for someone who actually knows their rights. This is a common pattern in confrontations. Assumptions lead to conflict, not facts. The narrator's adherence to protocol highlights a key takeaway. The conflict arose not from actions, but from misapplied authority. It's a perfect illustration of why documentation, transparency, and understanding regulations protect you and prevent escalation. Even the calmest situations can erupt when one side forgets the limits of their power.
Fall off. That's all we're saying. You're entitled to feel.
I had a good time up there, viewing them from above, and they were as peaceful as ever. I've got the evidence of that. Not one of them have run. They're quite contempt in the field, doing what they're doing.
But I'm saying that we're going to be moving them now from the yard back out to the field and vice versa. So there's going to be horses being moved from the top field if you've seen them.
Yeah.
And they're going to be brought into
I
the
could
yard.
fly it right here then.
Okay.
And just look in. It don't matter.
Taking horses from the yard up the field. And when they can hear it hovering above, some of them will take a dislike to it, which is dangerous.
We just you know
they're animals at the end of the day, and they've got their own
and
brain.
that's the reason why, as a drone pilot, you would make sure that you're very high enough not to spook the animals.
Well, you've not been that high because we can see you, can't we?
Have you got a measuring stick? Just because you can see it, that's what I'm supposed to be able to do.
You can hear it, and it can spook them.
Have they told you that?
You're not that high.
We only go off experience. That's all.
Sergeant, please just tell her.
Right.
You know.
Right. Listen to me. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming down, bringing it down, and talking to us.
No worries. So if anybody from next door rings you, is Simon aware now that I'm in the area?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Is he coming to see me or not?
No, no, unless you need to speak to him.
No, I don't. No.
Doesn't need to.
Because I don't want interfering again. Once it's up there, I want to just have a peaceful fly. I won't be. I can fly right and just hover right above your van. I'm not interested in doing anything like that. Going up close to windows or close to the house or anything like that. I'm going to be at a safe, good distance above, and I ain't going to be bothering you. All right. Cheers.
The confrontation cools, reflection sets in. Our pilot admits he responded assertively because of previous experiences. He knew what unchecked authority looked like. This isn't recklessness. It's defensive strategy. Watching the drone rise again above the fields, capturing peaceful scenes, the contrast is striking. Serene landscape versus human tension. These moments underscore the broader lesson. Standing your ground when wrongly challenged doesn't just protect you legally, it reinforces accountability and sets a precedent for respectful interaction. And notice the horses. Still calm, never spooked. The drama was entirely human-made. In the end, this case is a masterclass in legal awareness, personal rights, and composure under pressure. The pilot followed every rule, maintained safety, and confronted overreach with knowledge and confidence. No animals were harmed, no laws broken, and the confrontation reveals more about human assumptions than any procedural breach. Remember, transparency matters, rights matter, and authority has limits. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts,